Good morning, students. In this class we will discuss chapter number 15, that is similarity. So before starting the chapter similarity, we have to discuss that what is the difference between similar figures and congruent figures. Similar figures and congruent figures. Now look. So similar figures. Similar figures are those figures which are same in shape, like these two are same in shape. These two are same in shape. So these are called similar figures, right? Now come to congruent figures. So congruent figures are those figures in which we have same shape and same size. Same shape and same size. Right? So in this here we have similar figures which are same in shape but not in size. Here we have congruent figures which are same in shape and same in size, right? So congruent figures can be similar figures, but similar figures can't be congruent figures, right? Congruent figures can be similar figures, but similar figures can't be congruent figures, right? Now we will discuss about similar triangles. We will discuss about similar triangles. Now look, two triangles are said to be similar. Like here you have given triangle ABC and you have given triangle PQR. Triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. What do you mean by corresponding here? Like A can be equals to P, angle B can be equals to Q, angle C can be equals to angle R. Right? Angle A can be equals to P, B equals to Q and C is equals to R. If corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in proportion, so corresponding side we have to take those sides, like A is equals to P, so we will take A vertex. B is equals to Q, so we will take B vertex. So by joining A and B vertex, we have AB, and by joining P and Q vertex we have P and Q. So AB upon PQ is equals to B is equals to Q, C is equals to R. So by joining BC and QR we have BC upon QR. A is equals to P, C is equals to R. So by joining A and C we have AC, and by joining PR we have PR. So AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR. So in this case, in this way we can say that two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and sides are in proportion. Now look, second case. Suppose again you have one triangle ABC and one more triangle P, Q and R, in which we have given angle A equals to angle A is equals to angle R. Angle A equals to angle R, right? And angle B is equals to angle Q and angle C is equals to angle P. C is equals to P. Now A is equals to R, B is equals to Q, C is equals to P, right? A equals to R, angle B is equals to angle Q, angle C is equals to angle P. Now we have to take corresponding sides. A and B. Here A is equals to R and B is equals to Q. So it means AB upon QR, right, is equals to B is equals to Q, C is equals to P, and BC is equals to QP, C is equals to P, and A is equals to R. So it means AC upon A is equals to R and C is equals to P, RP. So first of all you have to take triangles side, this triangle sides AB, BC and CA. Then you have to check that AB is equals to which side of that particular triangle, that is QR. BC is equals to QP, AC is equals to RP. QR, QP and RP. Right, so in this way you can see that if corresponding angles are equal, then their sides are in proportion. So if two triangles are satisfying the criteria of corresponding angles are equal and sides are in proportion, so we can say that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is the sign of similarity. Right? So in this way you can say that two triangles are similar.